Ryan, Blue Scout is still grounded.
Thanks, you Scout.
Hey, there's an old house. I better go inside. Wow. This is one big adventure ever. Hello. It's Sandy Cheeks.
Dark Chainsaw Consultant! How dare you trespassing into this old house? You know trespassing into property can get you arrested. That's it. I'm calling Chainsaw Consultant about this.
No, please.
Go now, or else I'm calling the police on you.
No, 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 no.
Dark Chainsaw Consultant, I cannot believe you trespassed into an old house. You know that trespassing into property is against the law and can get you arrested. That it. You're grounded for 221 weeks. Go to your room right now.